So now we're going to show you how to connect a module, how to install it. So we insert it into the rack. Screw it back on.
Take care that there is a protection in the screw to don't damage the panel. Very important. Okay. You go under here. So we start with the RF connection. This is the RF cable, is named. This is the 11. So input and should be well screwed inside. Then we are going to prepare the output. Attention, center it. Then by hand in the first to be sure that is the right position. Then fix with this key with attention, keeping centered. Okay. Also the cable is leveled with the name. Okay. Then we go to the second part.
So this is, sorry, just let me show. This is amplifier 11. And we've connected amplifier 11. So make sure the numbers on the cables and on the module match.
Okay, then we have the grounding should be screwed. Then we have this loop of the RS 485 connected. Okay, then we have simple way to recover the plug, mains plug, amplifier 11, and switch on. Finish. Now the amplifier is recollocated and ready to work.